Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be making a tea bag holders, but also can be used as an ephemera holder or treat holder. From one sheet we're going to get 14 pockets. So yeah, wow, super fun project. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. So I'm back from Italy, but I'm filming this video a couple of weeks before because I received a phone call from an email actually from my boss, said if I could do some extra shift on my return from my holidays. So I wanted to say no, but yeah, here we go. I don't really have to, but anyway, so I said yes. So I'm filming this video on a Tuesday before we actually go into Italy. So I will have total catch up about what happened in Italy basically next week, guys, when you will see the videos in August. Yeah, so I apologize on that. But I really wanted to film some videos to keep you entertained, to give you some company, just in case you guys miss me. No, I'm joking. Just before we go, that's all. So today I wanted to showcase one of my newest kit. It's called Enchanted Books, and it's part of the mini collection, so it's 4 pages, hence why they're called mini, because it's tiny little bit. So it's 4 pages and it's literally 4 backgrounds. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more so you can see it. Yes. So 4 backgrounds with these 4 different books and loads and loads of flowers and some French ephemera on the background. So I did a bit of a collage. So this is page number 1. Then you got page number 2, Journal de Roses. I don't speak French. Journal de Rosie. I don't know. I can pronounce Le Fleur as far as that. Yes, I just played with different backgrounds, but the main focus of these 4 pages are the books. So that's page number 3. They're all very similar, but again, every page is different, and that's my favorite one. Hence, I left for last. So you got all these huge, gigantic flowers and roses, and the books then, and the ephemera in there. So yeah. You can buy this on its own, which is £1.50, super cheap. Or you can buy this part of a bundle, where I put it together, which you get 6 digital papers for £10. So basically 2 digital papers collections are for free. So I will put the link down below. Right guys, so I made, and I wanted to keep like with like a book theme, this little ephemera / tea bag holder. Now, I love it, but you guys can use it, you know, as you wish. So this is the project, and unfortunately it is too long to go on the camera. So it's basically a 1 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 pages from 14 pockets from 1 page. So you've got pocket, so that's the bottom. So you've got a pocket there and a pocket there, a pocket there and a pocket there, a pocket there and a pocket there, and then you turn it over, you've got 1 pocket there, and basically repeat. So you get 2 pockets on each square, and when you put it, you basically flatten all together. That is the book. So it opens like that. Okay, so you see that, and then what I did, I just put it together like a little belly band just to keep it shut. This is sort of project I will probably do one more for Christmas. If you know that the person drinks tea, you can put a tea bag in there, so you get 1 4, how many do we say? So 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 tea bags. Not bad, not bad. So let me show you how to make it. I'm not gonna decorate it all because it would be this video will be way too long, but I'll show you how to construct. And basically what I've done is to create to cut from the paper I just showed you these triangles, which I'll show you how to do it in just a second. So your starting point is a piece of cut. I don't know why it's so zoomed in. Anyway, that's I showed you this on Monday's videos. This is my sticky notes I made. So you need a piece of cardstock that is 9, need to extend it, that is 9 by 12. Keep hold of this because we will need it for the belly band. Okay, so on the 9-inch side you score it at 3 and 6. Okay, so oops, sorry about this guys, it's 3, 6, and then of course that. Then you turn it over on the 12-inch side and you score it at every 3 inches. So you score it 3, 6, and 9. Okay, get these out of the way. Okay, so what we're going to do guys, we're just going to banish the score line. It's very, very simple. 3 inches, it's the right size for a tea bag, but you can make this bigger, but you might not get 4 pockets, do you know what I mean, 4 section from a 12 by 12. So if you make it 4 inches you get 3. Okay, so you end up with something that looks like this. So what we need to do, I scored it because I wanted to be as precise as possible. So when you start from the first square here on your right hand side on the top one, you need to score a diagonal line from one corner to the other, and we do the same on the other side. And to make it more visible, I'm going to use a pen so you guys can see it. Okay, because this is just a prototype, and you repeat the same all the way down. This is sort of project that you can prepare it, so you fold it and cut it and leave it in a drawer, and then when you need it, if you got like a birthday or something and you don't know what to buy, if you know the person drinks tea, you can just put it all together and off you go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So what we're going to do, the top one, we're just going to chop these 2 triangles. So you just literally cut them all off. Okay, all the rest of them we just simply cut them, we don't chop them. So just simply cut it, cut, again it looks complicated, but honestly guys, it is very, very simple. And if I say so, you should believe me, because I don't do anything complicated. Okay, so it looks like a Christmas tree, don't you think? You're not allowed to say that word yet. So the top one is the one missing with a triangle, and that is the bottom. Okay, so what I need you guys to do, start from this square on your right hand side. So this triangle here, lift it up. Okay, you do the same on the other side, so that lift it up. So you can choose, you can pick. So one of these is coming to the front and one of these is coming to the back. Okay, I'll show you once again. So this is the triangles when you cut them. Okay, so lift them up, and then one is coming inwards and one is coming outwards, and you repeat the same. So on here one goes up and the other one goes up, one comes to the front and the other one goes to the back. Okay, one more, one from the up, one up, and then one comes to the front and one goes to the back. And then the last two, because you ended up with those two, they both come to the front. Okay, so this is basically your tower. So what you need to do, you need to put, so if we start from the triangle on top, you want to put some glue here on this side. Okay, so that will attach there, and some glue here. Okay, so when you put your glue there and your glue there, you know that everything that you put in there will stay and everything that you put in there will stay. Okay, and you do exactly the same on the other side. So on the triangle you put, so lift that up, and you want to put some glue there and some glue there. Okay, it's very simple, guys, very, very, very simple. So if I bring you my original one, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you've got glue there and glue there, glue there and glue there. Okay, so let me see if I can show, I might do you one. So this is the Christmas tree. Let's open it up again. Okay, so that's the Christmas tree. Okay, so lift the two corners up and then we're going to put some glue here. Oh, it's not going to work, is it? Oh, yeah. You know how much I hate these bottles because they don't work. I don't care what everybody says, and I don't care if they work for you guys, but they don't work for me. It's just waste of space. But anyway, so put that in there. And you're just going to hold it for a few seconds. I don't know why. I have tried different brands with different bottles, different glues, different things. You don't want to play, but it's fine. It's fine. It's a mutual dislike. They don't like me and I don't like them. So it's 50-50. See? And I had to go back with that and press it down. And I haven't got time for this. This is very time consuming. So, and then he makes this silly noise. I mean, what is he trying to say? Is he trying to say sorry? Well, no, it's too late. I hate you. Don't like you. And not using you anymore. Okay? So that's it. So that's the one. And you do exactly the same, guys, on all sides. Up, up, glue, glue, and then one inwards and one outwards. Okay, I hope it's clear. And that's the result. So when in the beginning I told you to keep this one, so what I did, you fold it in a way that the last one, you get one, which is the last bit here. The two sides come on the front, so that means that one side hasn't got any pocket. Okay, so that is this one here. So what I did is simply put it together, and I didn't score it because I didn't really want to. So you basically train your paper, and this depends if you put thing inside. You just simply fold it across, and then what I did is simply chopped it. Okay, and I'm not going to score it, but simply with my finger, because when you put your tea bag, you will have a lot of thickness here. So do these when your project is completed, when you got all your tea bags or your ephemera, your stamps, anything that you want to put in there, and then you just put a tiny bit of glue, which is not going to happen. Yeah, look, it's not going to happen. So I probably have to put this in there again. And then, and I go straight in the bin. There you go. So that's there, and then you just fold it over. Okay, and that will give you a really nice, oh, I might have to wait a few seconds because I'm too impatient. So yeah, and that will basically close your pocket. and it's always nice because you get that sort of dome shape. If you score it, you don't get that really nice dome on each side. So yeah, that's it. And then you can decorate it and decorate the back as well. Okay guys, I hope you like this little project, and I just want to take 2 seconds of your time to say thank you to every single one of you for the continuous love and support. You guys are awesome. It's really much appreciated. Special shout out today goes to the lovely Tamara, and I will put Tamara's comment here on the screen. Tamara said that she bought the new kits, including John the Giraffe. In fact, Tamara, I think you bought the bundle, if I remember correctly. So yes, thank you to every single one of you. And let me know in the comment, guys, if you are going to do it. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube, because you're telling YouTube how fabulous my content is. Guys, I've done a few videos of this sort of mechanism. When you get from one page, you're going to get different project, different pockets. I will put a couple of projects here on the screen, so if you guys want to get more inspirations and watch a couple of more videos, please feel free to do so. Guys, thank you so much once again, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.